Hello everyone, welcome to the Svanoe English Vocabulary School. It's Wednesday, December 11th, show number 586. Please write that up in the corner of your notebook. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. You need a notebook, a pen, and flashcards. Here are the 2 words for today. Do you know them already? Please listen and write this in your notebook. 1 child, 2 children. One child, 2 children. Here it is. 1 child, 2 children. A child is a person that is 12 years old or younger. And then if there are 2, we say 2 children. We never say childs with an S there. It's only 1 child and 2 children. Please write that in your notebook. Now let's make a flashcard. Please make a flashcard like this. Up here, 1 child, 2 children. Down here in the corner, PEO 1. This is the category. People, level 1. And down here the number 7 out of 78. What about you? Are you a child or are you a teenager? Tell me in the comment section. And here's the IPA. These 2 together sound like cha-cha-cha. And these 2 together sound like I. Chai. Child. Children. Please write that on your card. Now let's learn word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. You and I like the same music. You and I like the same music. Same. S-A-M-E. This means the music you like and the music I like are equal. They are identical. They are not different. And this word same, we always use it with the. They always go together. Now let's make a flashcard. Up here in the corner, please write the same, because we always use this word with the. For example, the same music, the same food, the same clothing. And down here in this corner, please write GW1. This means grammar words, level 1. And down here the number 93 out of 135. Do you and your parents like the same music? And here is the IPA. These two in the middle sound like A. Same. Please write that up in the top corner of the card. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one is money. You need 100 to make $1. Number 2 means it is finished. It's not happening anymore. And number 3 is very difficult. 1 acre. Yes, this is a unit of measurement in America. That's it. It's time to go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye. Our schedule is December 1st to December 25th, and then we take a break. And we will begin again on January 1st. This is a complete 2-year course. We learn 2 words every day. We have a rotating schedule, so you can join anytime. Why not today? We use these very much. And please write your language on the other side of the card and keep it forever. Please make videos of your flashcards and post them on your channel. You can find a speaking partner. Search this hashtag. My name is Vinny. I'll see you tomorrow.